Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on how to download X on your phone. X, previously known as Twitter, is a popular social media platform that allows you to connect with others and stay updated on the latest trends. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of downloading X on your phone. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your phone. Look for the Play Store icon, usually a white shopping bag with a colorful triangle on it. Tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once inside the Play Store, you'll find a search bar at the top of the screen. Tap on it and type X, previously known as Twitter, in the search field. This will help you find the official X app. Step 3. As you type, the Play Store will start showing relevant search results. Look for the official X app from the results. It usually has the X logo displayed. Tap on it to access the app's page. Step 4. On the app's page, you'll find detailed information about X, including screenshots, reviews, and other relevant details. To download the app, look for the Install button or a similar option. Tap on it to initiate the download process. Step 5. Your phone may prompt you to grant certain permissions to the app. Read through the permissions and tap on Accept to proceed. This allows X to function properly on your device. Step 6. The Play Store will begin downloading X on your phone. The download time may vary, depending on your internet connection speed. You can monitor the progress through the progress bar or notification panel. Step 7. Once the download is complete, the Install button will change to Open. Tap on Open to launch the X app for the first time. Congratulations! You've successfully downloaded X on your phone. Now, you can sign in or create an account to start exploring the X community, connecting with others, and sharing your thoughts. Thank you for watching and enjoy your X experience.